what's up, Shy Gang? How y'all doing? I am back with my Color of Spring wig series, and this will officially be part 5. And if you haven't saw my other videos, then you need to go check those out. But in today's video, we are going to talk about Miss Dashley Lace Unit 3, and she is in the color T1B Copper Red. And she has a deep side part with baby hairs. She is safe up to 300 to 400 degrees. And she is made with heat resistant fiber. And she comes in all different colors. This is how she's looking on the stock card. This is the details on the back. And she also comes in a variety of special colors as well. And y'all, I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion on this wig right here. I also have reviewed other wigs from this collection, and they come through with the color every single time. Like, they got the color part just right. Like, I'm loving this red right here. This wig does fit comfortable on my head, and she does come with the standard cap construction with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. She doesn't have a deep side parting space, and I am really feeling this color. I really feel like it's a pretty color. I like the dark roots. I like the red that is given as red, but it's not too red. I'm liking the waves of her. Like, I'm feeling the water wave type deal. I do like this big style. I mean, but if this is not for you, then, and if you don't like big hairstyles, then you know she does come in other styles that you'll have to check out. But I am really feeling this, y'all. I'm feeling it. Big hair, don't care. But I am going to. As y'all know, this is a colorful wig. So yes, she is going to shade. She is going to tangle. I mean, you are going to have to expect that with these synthetic wigs. But this is a very fun wig. Like, I'm just loving it right now. Like, you can't tell me I don't look like a baddie. But that's just really my honest opinion on this. I will link all the information in the description box below. And I got this wig off of Sam's Beauty. I actually caught her on sale, and it was actually like a birthday discount. So I've been holding on to this wig for a while, but I really felt like I had to show her off for the spring, because I'm going to give y'all a variety of colors for this series. So y'all just stay tuned for part 6. And be sure to catch up on my other videos as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.